Now, welcome back to the 15th HTML tutorial of how to code in Pidgin English. For this tutorial, we're going to discuss about how to add audio and video to our website. Yeah, exactly wetin you dey reason. All the websites where you dey play music on, na the basics of how to upload music be this. For this to work, you need a .ogg file or .wav or .mp3 or .mp4 file. No worry too much about all these extensions. Many songs for your computer go be either in mp3 and the video go be in mp4, so no tension at all. So to put audio for our website, just like every other tag inside the HTML, we go need audio tag. So I go just come here and do audio. Inside this audio now, you can't get another tag wey go inside this audio wey be source. And na inside this source tag now go give us that authority to add the link of that audio inside our code here. So if I show you my folder where my file dey now, you go see say I get free mp3 here. So wetin I go do be say, now I go just right click here, choose rename and copy the name of this free music. Now you go note say as I click on this thing now, e dey show me the information here now say na mp3 file. So I go just go back to our Sublime Text and come here, paste this information here, free_mp3 .mp3. But no be everything wey we need here. You know say to play audio we need some kind of control. We go need to dey play, we go need to dey pause, we go need to dey fast forward and things like that. So wetin I go just do be say, I go come inside this audio opening tag and type control. So if I don type control here now, everything wey we need don bam, e don set. So I go just save am like this, go to our website now, then reload our website. Now you see say e don show our audio here like this. So I go just play the audio now. How you feel am? Right. So the next thing wey we go dey discuss now na how to represent video for our website. Exactly, we need video tag. So I go just do video. Now inside our video tag we have source tag, and inside our source tag now e give us src attributes wey go make am possible for us to include the link to our video inside here, so that computer go fit display am. So if I go back into my folder, into my HTML folder, you go see say I don get this introduction video here. So if I click on this introduction video now, you see say na .mp4 file. So wetin I go do now be say I go just come here and type introduction.mp4. Remember say we go need put our controls here. Yeah. Now you go see say I no put any slash here, I no put anything. The reason be say my file, this my introduction.mp4 file, dey inside the same folder wey this index.html sef dey. So to avoid unnecessary headache, I recommend say make you put all of your file, all of the file wey you dey work with inside the same folder. So if I save this file now, come go to our website, reload our website now, you go see say we don get the video here. So I go just play the video here like this.
Hi, if you don see my introduction video, you go don imagine how fresh e go be to learn programming for Pidgin English. But if you never see am, no worry, just call me Santa Claus because I don carry better way to learn programming come.
Exactly, I don carry better way to learn programming come. Yes, as we don talk about audio and video representation for websites now, na so e go be for inside this tutorial. And congratulations for making it through HTML. This is the beginning of your journey. Yes, let's go.